In this video, we will learn how to use recent sources from Excel sheet. This is my Excel sheet. I have here some data. Recent sources means you used recently this file and now you want to get this data in your current Excel sheet without opening this file so you can get it. So let's see how it's done. First, I add here one sheet and I want the recent file those I opened, okay, before this file. So just click on this data tab. Here you can see option recent sources. Just click on it. When you click on it, here you see the recent sources data, sales data, CSV, income sheet. I just closed it, and when you click on the file tab, same file available here, data, sales data. Okay, this is a recent file I used. Okay, so same file here show here in recent sources. So I just use it this file data. So click on it, click on the connect. It's connecting. Then this is a data file and these are the all sheets available in data. So I just click those sheets which I want the data in this Excel. So I select the first sheet and click on the load. That's it. Here data is here. See, all data is added in your current Excel sheet. This is my sheet. I get the sheet one, but it's automatically add here the data one sheets. Okay. So hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.